Hello guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a manicure DIY at home, and of course we're gonna use the new lights that I ordered from Amazon today. So we'll find out if it's a good quality, and that's include with a phone holder while you take a video. Most of my stuff for manicure is from Amazon as well. This one is from Amazon, the color, and the other stuff. What we're gonna use is we're gonna need a base, a base, and a aftercoat. And then the color that I'm gonna choose today is the pink sparkle. And this is the tools that we're gonna need to clean my nails, and this is what we need to dry my nails. So shall we start? So we're going to start. So we're gonna start the light, see if it's nice. That color, this color, maybe this color. Let me put down a bit. I think that's bright enough. So I like it. I like it. So shall we start? We're gonna start to clean your nail with this for cleaner. And we're gonna start doing this.